guys, we're back.
I don't know where to start. Ferrari? Should we start there? I think there's a leakage.
A leakage of what?
I have the seat full of water.
Must be the water.
P3.
George, I didn't see George the whole race. I don't know where he came from.
Got a little lucky in that game.
That a random leader crashes and George is P3.
Drive!
And Hamilton's race engineer kept explaining him where K1 is. I mean, now I think the whole...
K1 available.
Yes, I know. Leave me to it, please.
The engineer yaps less and he does what he has to do.
I think that will happen by next week because Hamilton will be like, you shut up or I'm removing you.
I told you, right? Like
What a
my earlier
brilliant
predictions was
start.
at least P3 is where I would see them in the constructors this year. I think if Science wouldn't have, whatever happened with him,
Sainz has found the wall. It's not just the
he
rookies.
also would have been somewhere on the top. Definitely would have been.
Science would have not crashed. Albon wouldn't have been P4 as well.
Fair. Come back from 1 year, remain with the same consistency. You've seen a lot of teams do that, right? Will you be able to do it in the second year as well?
First, Lando Norris wins the Australian Grand.
I swear I'm not even joking right now. How sad is this?
Hello, guys, we're back.
I love how it's...
Hi, guys, we're back once again with Himika Ji. Himika, I think we had a great
Please
weekend.
don't call me
right?
Himika. एक और करते हैं. Himika जी मत बोल
Arey,
यार.
I'm just throwing
Wait,
sort of
wait.
banter, yeah. Like,
They are sounding so old and all, man.
no, it's like just like little banter.
Not
I think
used
they'll
to
understand.
respect, you know. I'm not
ठीक है,
used
ठीक है,
to so
fine.
much
We'll do it
respect.
again, we'll do it
नहीं, I'm just
Oh,
continuing.
okay. Continuing. Great,
I'm
great.
not used to so much respect, guys. But yeah, thanks.
Why
What
are you
is
looking
it?
sad?
Let's not get there. How about that, Stalin?
but
Stalin
great.
just
I think-
scanned a only possible way, not one of the easiest possible ways for us to go for a race in paddock, and Stalin just ruined it for us. And now he has the balls to ask me, why am I sad?
See, I didn't ruin it. You think that I ruined it. I'm telling you now also. You can try and check my phone. I haven't said a word.
It's okay, guys. You can enjoy me while you still have me. That's all I'll say.
But yeah, let's go to the race weekend, right?
Okay, I think we have a lot to
Maza aa
talk
gaya,
about.
maza aa gaya.
Yeah, I mean, I'm very excited. I mean, I don't know what to say. There's so much has
Where do
happened.
we start from,
We
right?
were like I was waiting for this. You know, I waited 90 days for this to be back. So now my life finally feels full. I swear I'm not even joking right now. How sad is this? But it's true. Like I'm actually very... Yeah, man, too much happened. I don't know where to start. Like, Ferrari? Should we start there?
Very interesting topic, dude.
Yeah, I think there's a leakage.
Yeah.
What leakage?
What's the wisdom?
Water. There is water all over my seat. Oh, it must be the water.
I think these things should have been rectified. Yeah, like in terms of communication, you could tell
Oh,
that.
new to Ferrari comms?
Yeah, I am.
Ah,
Because I wouldn't pay
that's
attention.
what.
I wouldn't
this
give
is
a.
rectified? You cannot rectify a human being.
No, but no.
yeah.
My point being that, right? Ki, I think these things maybe will be spoken about before the next weekend. Should have
No.
been spoken about on this weekend. But I think it's a big opportunity that was missed. At least with
Opportunity
Ham.
in terms of what?
I think he should have not pitted.
Do you
Number
think
one.
Ferrari had pace?
Whatever. I just wanted to see him just be there in the front.
Achha, you're just being... Oh,
I'm
you're
just
a
being
new Ferrari fan, so you've become Delulu just now. Okay, we
I
get
don't want
that.
to be Delulu.
But
I
trust
was
me,
see.
if you want
I'll tell you one thing. I'm not a Ferrari fan. I'm a Lewis fan.
So you
ठीक
have
है?
come to Ferrari now, so now you're a Ferrari fan.
Which I was only backing Lewis. I'm
what
very
merch
happy.
will you buy now?
I'll buy all. I'll buy.
Arey yaar.
I'll buy. I'm being very fair. I like to watch the race, na. So
Okay, got
I'll
it.
buy like a Ferrari merch, except for the Red Bull one. I will buy like a Mercedes merch. I'll
Oh, so
buy
you don't
like a
like winners.
McLaren merch. I'll buy all of these three.
But you won't
Maybe
buy
not,
a Red Bull one.
No, Red
yeah,
Bull
it's too
definitely
expensive.
not.
Not everybody can afford it.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but besides my point, you're still new to Ferrari now, na? You're
Yeah, I
gonna-
mean, I'm getting used to what is happening here.
I'm going to give you a big वो
Fun
धक्का.
fact. हाँ,
It's
नहीं,
not
धक्का,
fun.
this is
This
धक्का, okay.
fact is not fun.
Is
trust
it
me.
going to break my heart?
Yes, not for... Yeah, it's not fun for you. But... Wow, I love seeing this much energy from Stalin. But... This is going to happen the whole year.
Say it now.
This is going to happen the whole year.
Acha,
This
the
issues.
communication.
Communication... Yeah, you... I think you chose this for yourself. I mean, अभी भी time है.
I mean, Lewis chose it for. Obviously,
Lewis
yeah.
is
I'm
not
backing
happy.
him. I'm backing him.
Lewis is not happy with his choice because guess where the Mercedes finished? P3 and P4. Where did Lewis finish? P8,
P10.
P10. That's worse than where he started. How come?
Because towards
In
the
a
end,
race-
there
wait,
was
hold
an
on, hold
overtake.
on.
There was an overtake towards the end there also.
In a race where
Piastri
only
took over him.
14 people finished the race. You are telling me Lewis was P10?
Honestly, we can't blame him, dude. Number one, it was a
I'm
team
not
error.
blaming him.
It was a team error.
Yeah.
Which is, like a total thing.
Sure.
You can't blame him.
Sure.
But-
you can never blame him.
But point being, I also feel Mercedes got a little lucky, maybe. Because of the chaos and the safety car coming in. A little bit. Not much.
I
I
would-
wouldn't say. I wouldn't have seen them in at least P4.
Honestly,
P3,
George,
P4.
I didn't see George the whole race. I don't know where he came from.
That's what I'm saying. He got a little lucky in that chaos.
George always gets lucky. You know, I've seen this every time. Every time a driver will randomly crash in the rain, George gets P3. This is the third or the fourth race that this is happening. That a random leader crashes and George is P3 out of nowhere. So we didn't see George, but I will definitely give credit where it's due.
Antonelli.
Kimi Antonelli.
Yeah, I think he's shown.
He showed
showed.
showed
I saw
everybody
that,
why
yeah.
Toto chose him, and also the amount of pressure that was on him.
Matlab very
in a way-
relaxed also, I think. His
Yeah,
conversation
no, I
on the
mean,
radio.
in
In
that setup,
Setup.
you're a rookie, you're driving your first thing into a Mercedes where everybody's like, Bottas should have gotten that seat or Sainz should have gotten that seat.
Yeah.
He's the second youngest driver ever in the history of Formula 1 right now to score a point in his first race.
Crazy.
Or to score a point. Not in his first race, to score a point. It's just crazy that
It
he
was-
scored it in his first race.
If you look at it, right, Hamilton was so close to not even scoring any points. He would have finished P11 also. I'm just saying. And Antonelli scored points. It's just like from
yeah, Hamilton might be
where to
punching
where.
air right now because Kimi got P4 and Hamilton's what do you race engineer? Yeah, and Hamilton's race engineer just kept explaining him where K1 is. I mean, now I think the whole I think everybody who watches Formula 1 knows what Lewis Hamilton's K1 button does. And
Hamilton also played it a little safe. I think before in the press conference that he had, the interview that he gave, he was like, I'm still getting used to the car, and I'm not sure
because
where
he
it is.
knows
and
the car is not good enough.
which is I don't think so. The car is not good
I'm
enough.
telling you.
Maybe I think okay. As
Okay,
we
हाँ.
progress in the season,
हाँ.
if he gets to know the controls well, the communication is built better between him and the engineer, where the engineer yaps less and he does what he has to do.
I think that will happen by next week because Hamilton will be like, you shut up or I'm removing you.
Yeah, something of that sort. I think
Yeah.
if that happens, maybe we'll see little more competitiveness. Maybe P6, P4, वहाँ तो देख ही सकते हैं. I think definitely.
I feel so bad for you, man. I'm sorry, man, that you're seeing this now. Because we really thought Ferrari is gonna. And honestly, I will still give every team a benefit of doubt, at least for this race. Because this was a race in the wets. And these wet tires were new tires that Pirelli introduced. They are not
Yeah,
the
I
same
heard
wets
that. I heard that,
last
yes.
as last year.
But those weren't tested also, right?
Yeah, and they weren't tested. So like it was the first time that they were even driving
Everyone
on
was,
them.
yeah.
So I think based on that, I would still give them like a benefit of doubt. When it comes to that, there's still a lot more, and I definitely Ferrari is not a team that will be P7 in the WCC. But having
So
said
you'll
that,
see them in the top 3 basically.
no. Having said that, I would still say that, bro, what a brilliant start by Williams. Like,
I
yeah,
told you, right? Like
bro, what a
my earlier
brilliant
predictions was
start.
at least P3 is where I would see them in the constructors this year. I think if Sainz wouldn't have, whatever happened with him, he also would have been somewhere on the top. Definitely would have been on the
But
top.
again, if Sainz would have not crashed, Albon wouldn't have been P4 as well.
Fair. Because no one would have given them that strategy.
Exactly. So I think Ferrari should be punching. I think Ferrari should. This is great karma. This is like not so instant karma that has happened with Ferrari and in a way Lewis. Lewis left Merc, but I don't blame Lewis. But in a way Ferrari, that you went out of your way, shelved out so much money out of your bank account to get this one driver, and you let go of one of the
Science.
best drivers, strategists. Like Ferrari has an extra win in their hands because of Sainz's master strategy in Singapore last year. That was like that race for Sainz is like, I'm not listening to your strategy. So Sainz literally, while being in a race, he strategized his own race and he won it with used tires, while the drivers behind him, not Norris, him and Norris were on used tires. Piche there was George and Hamilton, and they had pitted and they got fresh tires during safety car. And George out of nowhere crashed, and Sainz gave Lando DRS so that Hamilton can't catch up to both of them. They were in two different teams. But Sainz gave Lando DRS because he knew that if he doesn't give Lando DRS, then Hamilton will overtake Lando, and once he overtakes Lando, he has to overtake George. जब ये उस time भी था तब when George also hadn't crashed, so he was doing that, and he kept asking the radio, how far is Lando? How far is Lando? Lando has DRS. I'm like, yes, it's on purpose. A driver with that kind of caliber, of course, Leclerc would have not been the driver for them to let go of. But again, I think Ferrari would definitely be punching the air right now at this point.
Yeah.
But I feel Williams have done a great job.
Fantastic. I think with Williams, right, it looks like an entire family. Like even I saw those, the post-match interview that was there with Vowels and the F1 guys. It just felt like they've come together as one unit, one team. For now, their focus is only that we need to be somewhere on top of the grid. Forget who our driver is, who our main driver is, or whatever. We have to make sure that as a team, we're looking at maybe P1, P2, P3, or whatever, maybe P5 ke andar. That's their aim. You could just feel that there is so much synergy, energy. Everything is together.
And I also like
smiling.
how that, like, I also really enjoyed how Williams was so open to admitting the fact that it was Sainz who
Yeah.
they listened to. Because a
Fair.
team like that would,
Yeah.
like, why would they?
He would
have
make
to
for a
agree?
great principal also, man, in the future.
Yeah, like a race strategist. He'll
Yeah,
be a great
crazy.
strategist. So, I mean, anything can happen. What was I saying? Sorry. Yeah, I was like, I think I'm happy because they are doing well and they're giving everybody the respect that they deserve.
Yeah.
And they are like, it's not that, oh, somebody is better than the other, which is a great way to start. But again, this is not important. Sorry, we're talking about random things. Moving on. What other team did you like? Another thing. Sorry, go on. What other
Papaya
team?
Army is what I was gonna say.
Of
I
course,
love them.
नहीं उसको तो हटाओ अपने बताओ.
No, I mean by it's important to come back from 1 year, remain with the same consistency. You've seen a lot of teams do that, right? Red Bull
Yeah.
has done that for the longest time. Mercedes has done that for the longest time. And now you have the pressure ki what
Will
we've done
McLaren be able to do it?
with 1 year, will you be able to do it in the second year as well? And I think that's a great start. Both your drivers are P1, P2, and be there in the hunt. Just keep going, and don't allow those guys, to come at you, which was crazy. For half the race, I was like, wow. Like, I was like, ye sahi ja raha. One thing that I didn't like about them was the fact that was the fact that who's probably taking P1, P2. Like in the middle, the engineer intervened and he's like, just keep
Okay,
your
I want to clarify that.
position
Yes,
the way it is. And then when Max took over, and then they were like, suddenly like, guys, you can start racing once again.
Okay, you know what? Okay, this is going on everywhere on the internet. This was clarified multiple times, but I think it's also because the way this agenda is being pushed that, oh, McLaren is doing that broadcast, that message, which was their hold position, was not said at the time which it was aired, because broadcast goes through a lot of different channels.
But he also had a response, saying that I'm faster or whatever.
Wait. I will get to that. Yeah, when the track was wet and he was not on slicks and other people were putting on slicks, he was close, and they said, and he was like, I'm fast. He's like, don't do it right now because Max is right behind you. If you around and do a little here and there, Max will overtake you. Hold positions right now. That hold position was not to, oh, don't overtake Norris, hold position. That was apparently a lot of people, even the commentators later said that this message was played much later than when it was said.
Yeah.
Don't take it from the fact that ki, oh,
Then it's
McLaren
good.
is
Then I
asking.
think it's good.
Because
then,
it's in
because,
the
because
contract.
at the end is what I heard, that Piastri normally said that it's my error because I went off guard, whatever,
Yeah.
whatever. And he said, the team is nothing to blame and all that. I thought he's playing like a team guy,
No, it
and
was,
this
no,
will be discussed
it was not.
later.
That was a different time. Us time
Okay, fair,
Norris,
fair.
because even during the time, Zach was asked initially in the race that what are you doing 1-2, 1-2. He's like, listen, they are allowed
Free
to
to
race
race.
each other.
Sahi
They are
hai.
free to race.
Yeah, man, you're in top two. Like
Yeah.
P1, P2, just go
But
at it.
again, even like having said that, even if at that time he was asked to hold position, I would still say it was a better call because the track was so wet and they were not on slicks. Neither of the McLarens were on
Yeah.
slicks. If one mistake what happened by one person, both of the cars could have gone off the wall. Any other team would have made the same decision.
Which we saw.
But that is not what actually happened. Apparently, the radio message was broadcasted way later than when apparently it was supposed to.
Shit.
And now everybody's hating on them. Ki, oh, the reason. Oh my God. I'm back. Let's talk about the fact that Nico Hulkenberg. Hulkenberg. Nico Hulkenberg, how Ricardo says it, has equaled the score that Sauber made in all of last year by the first race. Sauber scored, I think, 4 points last year.
But I also
4-3?
read somewhere that he's very good with the Australian tracks, right?
He was
Nico specifically.
he was in the
P7 is-
he was in the Australian track last year also. They
which
didn't
is
get
what
points.
I'm saying. Yeah. Acha, that way, huh?
I also think Bortoletto is a good driver. Whether yes, we didn't see it because he got f***ed because of Lawson, but Lawson was it? Who gave him dhakka?
I don't know. Someone gave him dhakka.
He to crashed na. Bortoletto
I
crashed.
saw that he crashed by himself. But
I don't know
कि
somebody
किसी ने
gave
किसको
him
धक्का
धक्का.
दिया.
I forgot, यार.
I don't think in this race anyone pushed anyone या ऐसा कुछ हुआ.
What are you
Meaning
saying?
everyone had their own moment, na? Like everyone was like by itself. We saw people come close, but there
No,
was
I think
no
Lawson
like a crash.
Lawson spun in front of Bortoletto. That's why Bortoletto went around.
Nah.
ऐसा कुछ तो हुआ था. I think there was. I don't think if there was contact or not.
Because that
But-
happened with Charles also, no? Charles was there. Where
Charles
spun
घुमा
and
था,
Charles
हाँ, Charles घुमा था. Sorry, my bad. But Bortoletto also crashed. But I think I have a feeling that he'll be good. One person that I'm very scared about, like that poor guy. He's. Do you know who I'm going to name?
Vika.
No,
Then-
I am somebody I'm more scared because VCAP is a good car this year. VCAP is a very good car this year. VCAP is also very fast this year, as of now, of course. But I think VCAP has found themselves a very good car. Max might just shift to VCAP by the middle of the season if Red Bull doesn't do better. I'm just joking. This is not a news, huh? But yeah, Max might just like you never
No,
know.
but I want to hear that. What is it that you were
yeah,
saying?
guess which driver I'm talking about. I'm really scared for him, and I feel
You're
he's-
scared for him.
Yeah, I'm scared for him. I'm not mad at him. I'm scared for him, bro. I think he made the worst decision of his life.
Who's this? Esteban.
No,
PA.
no, but you're close. Ollie Behrman.
Oh.
I think he's screwed.
Why? Because he's in a Haas.
Haas is a shithole this year again. Last year they did so much better. They got P7 in the championship and all. This looks bad. Like, yeah, man. Like, I didn't see a single overtake. Ollie's heartbroken. Even like, and the
But
worst
I
part
also
is
feel
the
it's the
reason.
first race, na, ki
But
maybe they will kind
as
of tweak.
I'll complete this. You know why I'm saying this? Because Esteban का पहला रेस था क्या?
नहीं.
नहीं.
ठीक
But
है,
Esteban
मतलब
कहाँ end किया?
but
P19.
he's also थोड़ा experience है ना. मतलब he's
वही तो
done
मैं
it
कह-
before.
You're not getting my point. I'm saying I am agreeing with you that yes, Ollie का पहला race है, so he's P20. चल ठीक. Esteban तो experienced है. Why is he P19?
पीछे, हाँ. Makes sense.
My rookie review.
Oh, nice.
Let's do a rookie review. You better put some shit here, okay? Rookie review.
We'll
Okay.
send that part to you only. मैं क्या थोड़ा ऐसे डाल दो यार.
I'll give you.
Let's start with who are the rookies, right?
Kimi.
Kimi.
Better than I thought. Okay, these are very like pointers. Okay, I think Kimi is much better than I thought. He did eight overtakes
Wow.
his first race, and he
That's
came
some
from P16 to P4, which
Crazy.
is crazy.
थोड़ा सा luck भी था. Come on, let's agree a little bit.
था,
but yeah, I think
8
great.
overtakes in the wet.
Great.
8 overtakes in a wet. Come on.
Some of it were great.
Where rookies could not even start their car, he did 8 overtakes in the wet.
He's got
I
it.
will give it
कुछ
to
तो
him.
है, कुछ तो है.
Ollie Behrman overestimated, but again, I don't know if I'm overestimating Ollie Behrman or I'm underestimating Haas's power to disappoint me. But Ollie is in trouble. Bortolotto is decent. I don't have much क्या कहते हैं उसमें much insights on him because I didn't get to see much of him. But I have a feeling that like based on how he did in quali and all, that he outqualified Lawson. He outqualified Lawson in a Red Bull by being in a stake.
Which is
Crazy.
yeah, crazy. He's got
So,
something.
Yeah, he's got something.
Definitely.
So, yeah, Bortoleto is decent. I'm excited to see him. I think Kick also is a better car than they were last year. Why do I keep saying Kick? Sauber. Sauber was a better car than...
Steak, Sauber, cake, whatever you want to say.
Yeah, than last year. Lawson is a big topic. Lawson को end में बोलते हैं, ठीक है? क्योंकि फिर वो तुम्हें अलग से भी काटना है.
ठीक है, चलो.
Isaac, I feel there's still much to see, but I have a feeling that he's fast for
Do
sure.
you also feel for him? Little bit ki yaar. First
Yeah,
race
but
and
you know what?
sympathy.
I'm not too worried about him.
No.
I'm not too worried about him because he has pace. Because if he qualified where did Hazard qualify? P10? Yeah, I think he qualified P10. Qualifying P10 in a week up in your first race ever, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I
Interesting.
think he has pace. He just got unlucky, and he's also unlucky that he's under Red Bull. Like apparently Marco found it embarrassing.
My next question was that. What do you think about it?
Apparently Marco found it embarrassing that he was crying. But again, all the F1 people know by now कि Marco की बातें मत सुना करो. Marco सठिया गया है, तो उसका कोई सीन नहीं है, कोई इशू नहीं है उसको. मतलब he's just a little old, so I guess we'll have to just deal with old people. Because he makes a lot of very random things.
Comments.
Like he made this random comment that, oh god, Bortoleto is a C grade driver. Bro, he won F2. What do you mean by he's a C grade driver? Just because you don't like him, you're being a racist. Sorry, I can't say it like that. Yeah, just because you don't like him.
We can beep it. That's okay.
Yeah.
We can beep it. That's
Yeah,
okay.
just because you don't like him does not like. Yeah, man, it's stupid. I think all of us know that helmet ki baatein. Like it's like that one old uncle in the family, you know, you just उनकी बातें सुन के नॉड हाँ हाँ करके निकल जाना होता है, वही सीन है.
सही है.
Okay, these are my rookie. Oh yeah, I wrote he qualified P10. Yeah, these are my rookie insights. Lawson, oh my god. Okay, starting with Lawson now. What are your thoughts on Lawson? You give me yours first, and then I'll give you mine.
Fair. I think.
What do you think of his
ठीक लगा मेरे
performance?
को. Like I couldn't judge anything from his the first race, I would say. I mean, maybe could be better a bit, but yeah, I don't have any like thoughts. I'm like ठीक है.
Really?
Yeah, like
I
good
have
enough.
so many
good
thoughts on Lawson. Okay, number one, not good enough at all. You're in a Red Bull. Your teammate. I know he's a 4-time world champion. He's Mad Max. Blah blah blah. We've heard this before. He finished on the podium. You did not make a single overtake.
Is this coming from a point कि you also are a very good like a hardcore Red Bull fan? So guys, we want the points there also. That's why.
I am not really
I'm
a Red
asking,
Bull
I'm
fan. No,
asking.
I'm not. I'm more of a Max fan than a Red Bull fan because I think Red Bull as a team is just really ruthless and rude for no reason for what they've done to drivers like Albon, Pierre, and stuff. You can never like Red Bull as a team like that. But again, yeah, I would want Max to like have better chances and stuff like that or whatever. But in general, I mean, this has nothing to do with my biasness. I mean, anybody else who would have won. Red Bull, okay, yes, right now you can't tell about their future. Maybe it's not that fast a car or whatever. But Red Bull had a lot of options for that seat. And Red Bull chose Lawson. I know, too early to say. Okay,
But he
too early to
performed.
say. But if both the Visa Cash App V-Carbs, if both the V-Carbs can out-qualify you by 8 positions at least, Yuki qualified P6, Isaac qualified P10, Lawson qualified P16
Would you say
in a Red Bull. So I feel that, I mean, if you have that seat, we are not even talking about the race because race mein everybody crashed, blah blah. Yuki didn't crash. Yuki came home.
Yeah, for
with
the
P8.
surprisingly.
Yuki got points.
Surprisingly, I mean, Yuki maturity is not something that goes hand
No,
in hand,
Yuki
but
is
great.
in his
I mean,
villain
like,
era, bro. Yuki is like, screw you guys. You think I don't have the time to. I'm gonna get more points than driver. And fair enough.
disgrace, yeah.
So
I
yeah,
think he
Yuki
should
will go to later, but I feel for Lawson it was a disgraceful performance. Like I understand there's pressure, but there's pressure on everyone, and you are not like you're not even showing pace in qualifying. You're not showing any kind of pace. Like what is the whole? Because I was very excited for Lawson, man, when he came in. I was like, oh dude, young talent. I'm glad
From what I-
Checo is going.
From what I saw of him in Drive to Survive, he looked very aggressive and very like Max material. And I was
But
like,
again-
if two people like Max are in the same team with that same attitude and same like kind of stuff, I was like, Red Bull this year has how many races would you give him to judge him properly?
You know what? I'm not scared for myself. Helmut will maximum give him 4 races if he keeps performing like this.
Yeah.
That's what Red Bull does to young drivers. If you don't perform, that's a Red Bull seat. Like that's what happened to Albon.
So
that's what
will
happened
you
to
will you
Pierre.
see a switch from like week up to Red Bull mid season?
Yeah.
And
I
maybe Liam goes back to like
I won't
week up.
discount that.
You won't discount it.
No,
Crazy.
I won't
Crazy.
discount
That'll
that.
be interesting, man. Mid
Yeah,
season.
but at this point, but ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है.
Yeah, I know,
This
but
has
I'm
happened
just saying.
multiple times with Red Bull, so I'm not like I will be surprised if that doesn't happen at this point. This is that like that's how natural it is for Red Bull to do this.
Correct.
So, but again, Liam, yeah, we'll have to. That is why I'm saying, don't get me wrong. I'm not comparing him to Max. I'm not saying Max itna kya, wo kyun nahi kya. I'm literally comparing him to their sister team, which is definitely like, which is 120% supposed to be slower than your main car.
Yeah.
You are being out qualified in that.
It's
What
like
are
a
you
second
doing?
division team that you have that's playing well than the first division. Team.
Exactly. That's
Crazy.
that's a better way to put
Yeah,
it, I guess.
yeah.
So, what to do?
I also want to take the conversation from Liam Lawson
Yeah. Okay.
to Aston Martin. And do you know who finished P6 there from them?
Yeah, your favorite driver.
He's not my favorite driver. He was someone who I would replace, if you remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would ask me if I want to be Hamilton or Lance Stroll. I said, probably be Lance Stroll and say, hi, Hamilton. Something like that sort. But man, P6, Lance Stroll. And no one was talking about him. Still, I don't see any of them. Like, obviously, he's been lucky.
नहीं
कुछ किया ही नहीं वैसे.
He's not just been lucky, bro. Alonso ठुक गया, guys. Come on, उसको थोड़ा सा तो देना चाहिए, उसको थोड़ा वो. But again,
नहीं यार, but I feel because of all those crashes and all, a lot of teams gained unnecessary advantage. Number
that's
one.
how Lance is. Whenever he does something, he never gets credit because everybody's like,
Commentators were also not mentioning about him. They
Because
were like, yeah,
nobody-
yaar, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. And I was like, P6, say something about Lance. And they were like, khatam. They cut to something else altogether. So I feel, yeah, like you mentioned, maybe he should get some credit. But I also feel, yeah, I'm coming from a zone, right?
knowing
to
the
try
kind
and ask
of
you.
car. Sorry.
No, I was saying I'm coming from a zone to try and ask you, do you think this year Aston Martin has something? Do you think this year Lance Stroll has something to offer to us?
No. Don't go there. I don't think so. You know what? I don't think he's a bad driver. I just feel Lance Stroll is not interested anymore, man. He's just forced by his dad. I don't think there's any interest that is coming from him.
Nice.
And that's why I just feel a little bad for him, man. Like, बेचारा छोटू मतलब वो जा भी नहीं पा रहा, रुक भी नहीं पा रहा, पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है उसके साथ. But again, Lance Stroll, honestly, I don't have anything to say because just like George, I didn't see him the entire race. There was
Yeah.
already so much happening. The race literally felt like an extended safety car lap
Yeah.
for the longest
3
time.
Aston Martins.
Yeah, like, yeah, I mean, just, and honestly, I'm not gonna lie, but Lance should get some credit because the kind of race that it was, just to keep that car on track takes a lot. And that's why you're a professional driver, and that's why I'm surprised that Alonso also crashed. Like, there were no like car issues with any cars, there were just driver issues with drivers.
Yeah.
Because
a lot of new drivers. a
yeah,
lot of
and
new
again,
cars.
Senna said this really beautiful thing, right? Whenever it rains, it's like all the cars have equalized. There's no क्या कहते हैं
Advantage
advantage
नहीं है
anymore.
किसके पास.
So वही है कि now it's that. So when something like that happens, it's an equalizer. And in that thing, whoever wins. I had told my friend, I'm like, I know 3 drivers are good in the wets. Max, Lando, and George. And guess who we have in our podium? Max, Lando, George. Because that's about control.
But that wasn't your prediction. Let me remind.
No, because George, though, I will never predict George.
I think over and above, right? We had a fantastic race week. Chaotic but fun.
But that's
and
where the
so
fun
much, yeah. I mean, I like so much more to talk about, so much more to think about as well.
Yeah.
When we look at the races that will come next.
Bloody formation lap to start again. It was such a... So initially, theek hai, initially जैसे ही हुआ, then again another safety thing happened because first lap mein there was a safety car, second lap mein again there was a safety car. So I think it was very different, and then it got boring from like the 15th lap to like the 25th lap, and then rain happened. So I think it was an all in all action packed race. Definitely not what I was expecting from Australia. Like, I was expecting a few things, but not this. Definitely not this.
Yeah.
So much chaos, rain, no rain, again rain, too many pit stops,
Strategy.
too many people going around, strategy. Yeah, like, I think it was I think this was the best start of the season that we could
Let's
expect.
just discuss the top 5 things from the Australian Grand Prix. Top 5.
Like, what?
Like anything, good, bad, ugly. If you had to just discuss like
Okay,
top
so
5
top
things.
5 things that I learned from the Australian GP is wait, I will begin.
Meanwhile, before you begin, I'll just put mine there. Is that okay?
go
So
on.
that you can also then
Go on.
I think one for me that the 5 things that I have here. One is for me Ferrari and Ham. I think that strategy, right? What they had. I think that could have been better in terms of maybe Ferrari just should have not pitted when the safety car came. I know they didn't have the tires for it.
Yeah, how's
Which
that
is-
strategy called?
It's
then?
just I think you should have sent probably Ham in and let Charles drive, or you should have sent Charles in and let Ham drive, because the rain just lasted for about 1 or 2 minutes. I think that was the wrong call, right? Which was they were expecting it to be there for the longest time, which didn't happen.
Shower shifting. Is this the first pit stop it
Second
opened?
one. Second one.
No, that rain stayed.
No,
Yeah,
the second
everybody
one was
moved
for the
to inters.
which is like these guys moved to hard tires, right?
No. I think you're getting confused.
No.
Yeah, because beach mein, first they started on inters.
Correct.
Then they went into hard mediums or whatever.
They went into hard.
You get. I didn't check on Ferrari. I'm sure you did. But other people went on mediums. McLaren went on mediums.
McLaren also went on hard.
No,
it
McLaren
was
did
it was
mediums.
your guy who went on mediums.
Norris.
No,
Max.
Max went on mediums.
Max on
And he-
mediums?
and he stood out on mediums.
Yeah, so Max. Sorry. Yeah, so Max. So how's that wrong strategy then? Because McLaren did the same strategy and they won.
So I'm saying the same thing. Ferrari just should have been out on hard. They shouldn't have gone again.
No,
to
but
pit.
McLaren again changed back to inters now after. You cannot go out on hards in a rainy track, bro. You can die.
Exactly what I'm saying.
He has to switch. That
exactly
was
what
that.
I'm saying. That the rain didn't last that much. So that for that probably 1 or 2 laps, I think they could have stayed out for so much time. They were expecting, because after they were on hards, right? They went into pit again, right? Which is what they switched to. I think medium from hards.
No, inters again.
Yeah.
Wet or inters
ठीक है.
again. Because बारिश
Fair.
शुरू हो गई ना.
हाँ. So I think that call could have been avoided, is what I was saying, because it didn't rain that much how much we were expecting.
I'll have to agree to disagree.
Also maybe what happened there was safety car ka issue aa gaya, which meant that they were racing under safety
They got
car.
unlucky with. I don't think that was a wrong strategy of some sort when it comes to tires, because you cannot run on a wet track with dry tires.
Which is
You
fair,
will-
I get your point.
The amount of speed that you go in, you can kill yourself. Basically. So
Yeah.
no, I don't think that was a bad call. I think they just got a little screwed over by strategy by safety cars. But again, in a race like this, that's what it is, man. Like
Yeah.
even Norris at one point was P8, P9. So it's all strategy.
Yeah.
When he went for his pit stop
Yeah.
after, and Oscar also went out because so
At
I
one
mean,
point we thought ki yaar
हो गया.
they've lost it.
Yeah, but
McLaren has
Piastri
lost
did it up. Piastri did it, bro. Like, yeah. Okay,
Oh,
sorry.
front of the audience, he was like, "मैं
Yeah.
करूँगा. I
Dude,
will
his
come
car
back."
wasn't
I'm like,
moving,
and
He
he's like,
did it, man. And he got points at that, bro.
Yeah,
He got
crazy,
points,
crazy.
P8.
He
Sorry.
took over
number
Hamilton,
one.
dude, towards the end.
Yeah,
That
bro.
was I was like, ये क्या कर रहा है बंदा?
I'm sorry about that.
No, but I'm.
But yeah.
it's okay.
Hamilton, Ferrari, you said bad strategy, you said.
Yeah, I just thought that was a little like
Okay.
I think it was a wrong call,
Cool,
but
got
I
it.
think they could have probably tried one each. Second thing was I think the drivers that McLaren has, right? I think we're in for a power-packed papaya performance this
Best
year.
duo on the
Best duo on the grid, and I'm excited to see what is going to happen, who's going to
Yeah.
hit this. Antonelli definitely is one really good prospect that we're going to look at in the future.
Yeah.
Williams, like I said at the start, I will say it again, and I will continue to say this, that I think they are in the constructors this year. I am seeing Williams at P3.
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 That's still a little too
P,
much.
chalo P4, but
Nahi,
I
nahi,
think
you can
they
keep
will be
P3, man. You
P4.
keep
I
your
think
P3.
they'll come. I
Okay,
know
fair.
you want to win, but I'm just saying I'm excited for them in terms
Yeah,
of,
I'm also very excited for them.
Yeah.
I'll give you
and
that.
I think one dark horse that I have this
Oh
year
yeah, who's your dark horse for the
is
season?
Yuki
For the season?
for the season.
Love that.
I
Love
like
that.
Yuki is
The vibe.
the vibe. I think there is something
Changed in him.
Yeah, changed in him, which is I don't know, man. Like I'm just seeing that boy, and I'm like, yeah, so much focus is there now. Like he just knows what my job is.
But also VCAB is fast this year, so
Yeah,
he
I
has
mean,
the
it's
best time
great.
to prove it.
I mean,
He has the best
what-
time to prove it. I'm not
what-
taking anything away from him.
What better than a good driver and a fast car? A great combination.
You know what? I've always said this time and again that Yuki's a good driver. He just needs to get calmer, and I think I finally see that happening this
Yes,
year.
maturity,
He
that's
was
what I
much
was
calmer
mentioning.
this year. So yeah, is this your 5?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Oh yeah, I figured with that. Okay, so I have a few things.
Woo.
Wow, the British inside me is awakened.
The what inside you?
The British inside
British.
me. I have a few
British.
things.
The
A few
British.
things I want to talk about tonight. Love, let's get there. Let's get on with it. Okay, first. Sorry, I'll get back to my normal accent. Ferrari management needs to be studied. I think that's my.
I think that's something that no one can do.
that's my first point. Like,
Is it something with Italians?
we need to study how they hire these race engineers, and we need to understand what goes on there, because these people leave their brains back in the factory when they come for a race. I cannot believe that was a conversation that, like, knowing Ferrari, I am not like knowing Ferrari after how shitty I was still shocked. Like, that's a new level of low. It's like
Just
how,
sad, man. Just
like, for
sad.
example, last year Leclerc was driving. I think it was last year, last year. Leclerc was driving, and he was like, I want mediums or I want hards because I think those were the better tires. Like, just give me that. I can see everybody on mediums that is doing better. So give me those. And he's going into the pit. Usko pit kara ke nikla, ke we have given you hards. So Ferrari is known for doing these kind of things, in a way.
Not listening to the driver.
Yeah, but pata nahi kya. But this was like, after knowing how Ferrari goes, after that also to see, like, must be the water. Like, I mean, that man should be fired.
Definitely.
Imagine you're driving at 320 kilometers per hour or whatever speed, and you're telling your manager that there's so much water, and he says it must be water. I will park my car and just punch that guy, dude. Like, that's, I can't believe Leclerc was so calm. Like, yeah, if you say that,
he was sarcastic.
if you say that to Max,
he'll say
no, he will stop the car and he will kick you in the face. I will do that, Max. I will do that. That's just, yeah, bro. Like, I think they should have gotten a debrief, especially the race engineers. Secondly, my second point is, okay, I think Red Bull is not a great car yet.
Yeah? Yeah?
Yes, Red
Oh.
Bull is not a great car. Doesn't have speed.
this is huge.
No, Red Bull is not a great car. At
So you're
least
saying
right
Max is making it look good. Max is making that car look good. Not easy, man, to get P2 in the way he's driven.
now. Okay, so I was saying Red Bull is not a great car yet, is something I've observed. Another interesting thing, fun fact from Australian GP. How can we do an episode without a fun fact? Dude? Right? A fun fact that I got to know later, and I kind of figured, or whatever.
How do you get to know all these things? First, tell us that.
No, then why will you watch me? I'm not telling you that.
You know, are you making a call somewhere at the
Yeah,
paddock?
I called Max and sweetheart, what's happened last night? And he
Aye,
just told me
fuck.
everything. So I'm saying Red Bull is not a great car yet. Fun fact is that yesterday, the time when Max was so close to Lando, it was only because Lando had damaged his car when he went off, and that had reduced his speed, and that is why Max was able to catch up to him towards the end. But the only reason why he could not overtake was because Red Bull doesn't have the speed in the car. Yep.
You're making me think now.
I
This
know.
is crazy.
That's what I do.
I never thought of that.
That's what I do. I make people think.
I was like, yeah, Max is fast. He's on his bum, and he
No.
may just go like.
No.
Oh.
After they both skid, Lando found damage to his car.
Hmm.
I'm not saying it was all like Lando also defended, but knowing Max, let's be honest. Like, I love both of them equally.
You're
so
becoming interesting, Aramika. Crazy. I like
wow,
this.
thank you. I guess.
Give me
I
one
guess
more.
this is why you hired me. I'm
Ek
not
aur, ek
sure.
aur. I'm not any hiring manager. Guys. Getting on.
But-
Huh.
But yeah, that is one of the only reasons why Max could come close to Lando, because otherwise the McLaren speed is something else. McLaren have really good car,
Which
and
is fair,
again,
which we saw.
And also, not like, having said that, I will not say that just car. Also, really good drivers. They had just to keep the car on track. Wink, wink, Piastri. Just to keep the car on track. I think, yeah, these guys did a great job. But yes, the car is definitely helping them, of course. And Red Bull needs, Red Bull Red Bull already made such big changes in their car from Friday to Saturday. Like, you could actually see it. Like, I know. I think you're going to talk about the interview, right?
No. I'm
Oh.
not. I just got another thought. I was
Go
like
on.
quickly about the McLarens, if I could mention.
Go on.
No, so I saw this one post which said that, last year, in the first race, in the quali, I think Lando and Piastri were P6, P7.
And they won the race. Guess who's
Yeah,
P6, P7? I saw
whatever.
that too. It's
And I was like,
that's Ferrari being Delulu again.
no, but I'm just saying, yeah, why not? Like, something to cheer for the Ferrari
Sweetheart,
fans.
that's called being Delulu. Why not? Why not here Delulu? Yahi hai. Lando can be my boyfriend. Why not? That's Delulu, right?
That is way too much.
This
Delulu.
is no, same level.
No, it's not.
Same
Those
level.
Those are different things.
Dude, come on. You will know Ferrari fandom now.
What will you give me if they are there on top this year?
What you want? If they're not on top, will you shave your head?
No, I won't.
I
I don't want to do all these things. These are important.
Got him. No, if you're so sure about your Delulu, then Delulu-stan.
Utna nahi
Utna
karna.
nahi.
Not this is the first
I
year
will
it
get
is.
something if he wins, but if they lose, then I'm not giving anything.
Ask for
I'm
something
not
else,
Delulu.
not like shave head and all.
Okay, let's not move
ठीक है,
from
ठीक
the
है. Sorry,
topic
sorry.
first.
You finished two, na?
Yeah, I finished
one?
two. Third point. I think my third point is an amalgamation of what we already spoke about in the second point.
Amalgamation.
Oh wow.
Bol do, हाँ.
Yeah, I think.
After all that you had one word came on amalgamation.
Yeah, I think it's an easier word. I think Max will definitely have to fight way harder this year.
I hope he does.
Than the other years that he's had.
बस हो गया.
I'm saying last year also he wasn't like he. Last year also he did have to fight, and he fought when he really had to and when he really could. For example, Brazil. I think I'll never stop talking about Brazil. But I think this year, I think the fight is much harder because there are a few people on the grid that you have to look out for. Another crazy prediction I want to make. Like a friend of mine said this, and I was like, bro, this can be so real. Kimi can definitely outscore George if this goes on. I have a feeling Kimi will outscore George. Kimi is
Is
turning
this your fourth point?
no, this came out to me while talking, but
Wow.
yeah, this is you can use this as my fourth point. My fifth point, I will amalgamate
Just
fourth
on
and
that
fifth
on that
together.
line of thought. On that line
Yes.
of thought. If that happens, if Kimi, outscores George, do you think Toto will allow it? Will he be like, "हाँ यार, कर दे तू. You become the
Yeah.
first driver. We don't want George Russell. चलेगा."
See, we've already seen the fact that Toto is really fond of Kimi because Toto sees Kimi as the next big thing and he wants to create another
Toto is
Hamilton.
fond of any of his drivers. Just to be honest.
What?
He's fond of any of his drivers.
No. Who
Yeah.
says that?
He likes. He loves. I'll
No,
tell you
no,
what.
no.
I'll tell you what. I
See-
read this thing. Do you know Pep?
देख तू अभी की बात कर रहा है ना. Toto does not like all his. Were you there when it was Valtteri and Hamilton?
Yeah.
There is always
I'm always
there is always a clean P1, P2, and now
That
all
is-
this while Hamilton had to be P1 because he was Hamilton. Now if this dude comes in his first thing and he says, ये लो तुम्हारा छोटू सा ड्राइवर निकालो इसको, Okay, fun fact चाहिए एक और फटफट.
मेरा एक पॉइंट है बट यू आई एम गोइंग टू लिसन टू यू फर्स्ट.
नहीं नहीं यही वाला है, मर्क वाला ही
हाँ,
है.
ठीक है.
About Toto.
टोटो.
Toto apparently did ask about, like, Toto is apparently still showing a little bit of interest in Max. So there is not a, like, you cannot rule out the fact that if George doesn't perform well, like, Toto will not go to George. Like, if George
Won't go to
doesn't
Max.
perform well, Toto will not go to Max.
So
There
I
is no,
feel what is it in all the team principles that I've seen, right? Toto has a little emotional quotient, number one. Towards his drivers. Any, be it
Okay.
Hamilton, be it Valtteri, be it now Antonelli, be it George Russell, thoda emotional quotient hai. He knows Pep Guardiola very well. Do you know Pep?
oh yeah, I know Pep, the footballer.
And he
right?
was there in that whatever one of his podcasts where he mentioned that he found it difficult to let people off go in his life, his drivers or whatever. So he went to Pep and he asked Pep for an advice, saying ki this happens in football every 6 months, every season it happens. So how do you let go of someone who's your star player? How do you do that? So Pep told him, like, if there is someone who personally wants to leave, wants to go, and who's not happy there at that place that you are, just let them leave.
go,
You
yeah.
have to make a decision to let that person go because you can't do anything about it
Yeah.
and they won't perform whatever. And I think that is when Toto has started following that ideology.
But in this situation, I don't think George wants to go anywhere because can you count the amount of teams who can you count the amount of teams who will take George? I can. 0.
I don't know, tomorrow maybe like
I mean, a
Alpine
Sauber-
may go for him.
Alpine nahi. Alpine has their line of drivers fixed. Alpine
just
has
saying, you
Alpine
never
has
know.
5 reserve drivers.
I feel whoever is towards the end of the grade always wants a good driver. Someone who's coming from Mercedes, you know that you want to try and pick that driver. Whatever he brings, experience, some strategy maybe, we want him in our car.
Acha, cool. Can I let me just quickly finish the 5 points
हाँ.
because
ठीक है,
मैं
ठीक है.
भूल जाऊंगी इसके
Sorry,
बाद.
no, I just had to
I feel
explain that.
Coming back to that, I don't think George, like, I think right now it's going to take a while for that to happen. I think we're too soon to say, but yes, to answer your initial question, if Kimi starts outperforming George, I don't think Toto's gonna stop him because right now Toto's main motive is to win a WCC, WDC. Whoever makes him win it's on them. And that's how it should be also. And I think Kimi will. Okay. My 5th point is VCAB is strong and Haas is weak. And my 6th point is one of my most...
I asked for 5. But
Yeah.
okay.
I will give 6 because I did my homework. How
I'm
about
not
that?
saying anything. You say the line. We'll
You
cut
sure?
it, guys.
You
we
sure
have
you're not
little,
saying anything?
We have little power of the edits.
Yeah. I'll also have little power in taking a rickshaw and getting it. So, my 6th point, because I can, is the fact that I see a very different Lando Norris. Like you said, your black horse. Maybe not black because everybody's like, Lando.
It's
but
called
I've been-
Dark Horse, but okay.
Sorry, I'm racist.
You can say it again.
Yeah, you said
just saying.
you said dark horse. Yours is Yuki. I also see, like, he's not a dark horse in my opinion. Like in for everybody, because everybody now is like Lando. But I feel I have witnessed a very different Lando Norris than what I saw at the end of last year.
Yeah.
He looks more composed. He looks calmer. Like, even when I was hearing his radio, even though there was
Confident.
pressure behind Max, like, I think we spoke about this. I don't know if that episode made it or not, but we spoke about the fact how Lando's biggest enemy is himself and his
Yeah.
own mind. That he keeps self-criticizing himself a lot. So I think that thing now has gone away, and I feel Lando has become much calmer, much more sincere. He has lifted off that weight of his chest कि okay, मैंने अपनी टीम को WCC जिता दिया है.
I also feel in sport, this is the thing, right? When you have the confidence and you want to achieve something which is great, right? You need to behave like that. You need to feel like that. I think now with Lando, he's behaving like a world champion. He's behaving like a driver who's sitting on the top 3. Like, he knows he's fast. He knows ki, this is something I can do. He now knows that he can hold off Max also. Usne
I
ek
feel
race
he's
mein kar
just
diya.
confident. Like, he's just less stressed. I think last year he started the year
Definitely.
with the worst stats ever, in a way, like a driver who who's taken the longest time to win a race.
Yeah.
That's how he started last year with so much pressure.
Yeah.
From that to winning 4 races in a year to all of a sudden you're competing to be the world champion. None of these were things that he had thought of. Even McLaren didn't think about the fact that they will challenge for a WCC or WDC. So that you could see that in them that they were not prepared. This year, you can see that Lando's mentally prepared. You can see that he spent money on a therapist or whatever that is. He has a very different mentality. He's relaxed. He's calm. He's secure. I think the word I'm looking for is secure. He's very secured. Like he doesn't have a. He's not fearing his seat. He's not fearing that his team will backstab him. He's not fearing anything else because the trust that they have
Fresh
built
start.
at McLaren. I really hope Oscar does, because I have a very strong feeling that Oscar might but just the place where what he's made McLaren, and I'm like,
What I feel for
When I
Williams, I
remember-
think that's what you're feeling for McLaren.
I think when I remember when Lando had just joined the grid in 2016, 2017, and in like 2021, say, he started getting offers from Red Bull and stuff. And that
Yeah.
time McLaren was not great. And I still remember this, what he said in this one interview at that time. He's like, I know a lot of teams want me, but I want to win with McLaren. I want to be the driver who brings McLaren the victory. That was his goal since 2017 or 2020. He fulfilled that. So now that weight is lifted off his shoulder.
Crazy.
Now he can focus on driver championship. अब अगर उसे लगता है कि यहाँ पे मेरा driver championship नहीं हो रहा, if Piastri him over and team doesn't say anything this year, then Lando might just be like, bye bye guys, because I did what I had to.
I
Knowing
give him
Lando, he
100%.
might not, but I don't know. Like, I have a feeling that now his responsibility, he's fulfilled it. In my opinion, is what I think. He seems chill, relaxed, calm. He has it in him. He's like, yeah, he's prepared to win this year.
I'm excited for the next week, bro.
Yeah,
Crazy.
bruv. And my favorite. Okay, now quickly, biggest hit, biggest flop, best team. Ferrari best team.
Nah.
Okay, go on.
Ferrari was not the best team. Let's make it clear.
Okay.
While I love them, but
Best driver, worst driver, and best team.
I think I want to give it to in the best team. Can I take two?
No.
Because I love taking two.
No, no.
yaar. You know me.
No.
By now you know me.
Best,
Himika,
best
please.
is one. Have you ever seen two people
Chal
win
na.
WTC?
Why not?
One WTC.
But at
Next
least let
year
us-
choose the other one.
While I want to say Papaya Army.
You can't say it.
I've not said it.
While
only.
you want to, you can't. It's
While I
one
want to
game.
say Papaya Army, I think best team was Williams. Okay.
Okay, you took my
And then what is it?
Biggest flop.
Biggest flop was Ferrari. Go for it.
No, driver.
Oh, okay, driver.
Okay, you think by then, can I go on?
Please.
I have my answers before he copies it. Biggest hit. Biggest hit was definitely Kimi Antonelli. Biggest flop, I would say, was definitely Liam Lawson. And my best team in terms of teamwork, I would say Papaya Army. And actually, Williams is taken, so Papaya Army. So now you give your fresh three, yeah?
I already gave you I
Williams.
said why
Best-
Papaya
best
Army
and
should have been
worst?
best.
Best
I'm
and
going to
worst.
stick to that. While Papaya Army should have been did a great job. Williams, I'll give the obviously best.
it'll be
Worst
diplomatic.
driver.
Huh. Now you can't say Lawson and Kimi, because I said
I
it.
was not aiming for them anyways.
I love
I
doing
want
this
to
with
say,
Stalin.
I want to say
Do what you
Oscar.
want, Stalin.
I
Nobody's
wanna say
stopping
Oscar,
you.
but-
Worst driver.
I mean, for that one flip, but no. Wait for it. Wait for it.
In a race where we have
Uh,
7 people who did not finish it.
Omkar.
Stalin.
Oh. I'm thinking who is worse, dude. You know what? I think it'll be very harsh if we do worst driver in the first race. Because I think I want
Just
to
tell
give
them you're a
everyone
diplomatic prick. Just tell
benefit
them.
of. Oh, I am very diplomatic. Yeah,
No,
just by
then
the way.
answer. No, we can't do this. Come on, it's a game, yeah.
Arey,
Stalin.
but I never said
No,
Oscar
fuck off.
Piastri. I said I want to say Oscar.
Acha,
That was my line. That
Guys,
was my line.
you cannot edit this Oscar Piastri thing. It's hilarious. We cannot edit
Arey,
it.
but that was my line
It's
that I
too
want
funny.
to say Oscar Piastri.
Yeah,
that
and
was
I
my line.
laughed. It's okay. I'm not
so
judging you. I'm
didn't-
just
didn't
laughing
finish.
at you.
My point was I didn't finish.
That's
I
what
was
she
coming
said.
to like,
Sorry.
but
Go on. Yeah, your worst driver is Piastri and
I can't say Piastri. Come on. But yeah, I think if he would up, he would have at least got P2. That's what I wanted for
Your
McLaren.
worst driver, best driver, बताओ.
Okay, chalo, we'll give best driver to Lando. I think worst driver we shouldn't do in the
यार,
first is
नहीं,
I'll tell you
you
why.
can't choose the winner. That's the rule of
But
biggest
he's
flop.
अरे यार मतलब अच्छा किया यार उसने. You need to give it to him. Come on. You can't be
मैं नहीं
like
कर रही
यार
इसके साथ ये.
because he's
मैं नहीं
P1
खेल.
and
No, yeah, exactly. You need to find people who are like who the world knows that they were not the best driver. And that's why where we come in. That we tell them, when they go and think Lawson, yeah, bro, it's a all performance he did. Otherwise,
Okay.
last
How
story I
about
Lawson.
so biggest flop you're saying?
Yeah, I'm not saying they have to be the worst driver till the rest
I think
of their life.
Ollie. I was
Biggest
expecting
flop,
a
but
lot
Ollie
from him.
finished okay, fair
Not
enough.
at
Fair enough.
P19, P20. I think he would have, from what I was expecting, since he had a full car, full race, maybe could have come somewhere. Upar.
Where? Ollie, because you think that
I think
I
he
can't
could have.
believe
I
that
think
you
would have done
chose
thoda
that
better.
one rookie who finished a race rather than all the 6 went off. I love this. And then he's like,
shade
no,
at
no,
me.
I can't say Piastri.
So I'm saying ki today is a good day. The race just got over, and you can laugh. But next weekend, when we watch Red Bull again,
Then you
we'll see
laugh
what
more
happens.
because I'll come out with better answers.
Guys, thank you for watching. But let's do a little bit of.
My biggest hits and biggest flop, which is fair. And we've heard the questionable biggest hits and biggest flops. We will not name the person.
Someone. You need
We will not name the
someone
person.
to give you like
Bad
really
answers.
good, great opinions,
acha,
right?
oh,
It
sorry.
can be like whatever. It
Yeah.
could be controversial also. Take it or leave it. Yeah, it's up to you.
Sure. So, having said that, I will not say who gave the worst answers, but you can tell by the person who's justifying. But yeah, why don't
I'm
you
not
give
justifying.
us?
She was making fun. So take it.
Why don't you give us your biggest flops and your biggest win? Hopefully, a better answer. But yeah, we'll see you next week after the race with our race reviews, race predictions, and everything more right here. See you later. Bye.
I'm hurt. Bye.